Well, it's been 12 years to the day since a rare 5.8 magnitude earthquake hit the mid-Atlantic and caused significant damage to the National Cathedral.
Come on down, come on down. All right, Andy. Okay, you're done filling.
And today, one of two gargoyles damaged during that quake finally got his head reattached. Our Fox 5 crew climbed up the 10 stories to get a closer look at the final repairs being made to that gargoyle, affectionately referred to as Mr. Decapitated. His head came off when a falling stone struck the gargoyle structure during the earthquake. For 2 months following that, the head dangled off of the drain pipe that runs through his body. Only the stump of his neck remained after the head was removed for safety reasons.
This year we're on this southwest side and we were able to get this repaired, and hopefully next year we'll be on the southeast and doing the exact same thing you see here on the other southeast corner. No broken gargoyle heads on that side, so only one decapitated.
All of those earthquake repairs are roughly the cost of $38 million. They will be finally complete once the remaining $14 million is raised as part of the Cathedral for the Future fundraising campaign. Crews expect that repair work to continue for another 4 years.